Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S6. And on this video, we are going to have a demo on one of its smart features, and that is the message notifications or the push notifications. So we will try the SMS as well as the app notifications. On our app notifications, we will have a demo on these following applications. We have Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and SMS. Let's see if this will work with our Huafit Watch S6. So if you have any questions regarding the wearable, especially on this demo, drop a comment below. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and have a demo of the push notifications of the Huafit Watch S6. Our smartwatch here is using the Fit application, as you can see here. You have the Fit app. Okay, and it has already been set, as you can see here. Every app here that we need is activated. If not, just accept the permissions for the push notifications or the notification access. Okay, so let's start. So there's no other settings for the push notifications such as quick reply and other options. The same here in the smartwatch. There's no more options for, or there's no options for the push notifications. Okay, so let's start and have a demo with the push notifications. Let's go first with the app notifications. We have the Instagram here. So let's send a message. How are you? Watch S6 and S6. Let's check if there's a support for emoji. Then message sent. Let's see if we'll receive a notification. No. Okay, let's see. Let's have a call. And call, and we have here, okay, a bit late, but we receive a notification, as you can see here. So we have the call notification as well as a message notification. And so there's no support for emoji with our Instagram app, but we have the logo, we have the name of the sender, and the time for the message and call notifications. Okay, so far seems like everything is okay for our Huafit Watch S6. Let's have the messenger. Let's try if it works with a messenger application. So let's send a message. Hello, and let's have an emoji. Message sent. Hopefully it works with messenger. Yes, we have it here. So it works with a messenger. Okay, how about the call notification? Let's see, does it work? And call, and we have here the push notifications from messenger. So it works with messenger. Okay, you also have an option here to delete the notification or the message. Okay, so far we already have two, Instagram and messenger. Next, let's have the Viber account. Okay, so let's start with the Viber application. So let's send a message. Let's send a message to Sam. Hello, Sam. Message sent. Does it work with Viber app? No. Did not receive any messages. Let's see. Calling, ringing, and end call. Okay. No. Okay, did not work with Viber account. So let's check again here on the support app. Go to the message push. Activate the other options. Okay. So if the Viber is not included here, but we do have the WhatsApp here, WeChat and Line, you can select the other options. Activate it so you can receive notifications from other app. So let's try again. Hello. And we have it here. So there's no logo for the Viber as it is included, or it is categorized as the other apps. But we have the message here. Okay, how about the call? Let's see. And call. And we have here the missed call. Okay, so there's no name of the application. Okay, next, let's have the SMS. Okay, so let's send a message to Sam. Say hello. Hello, this is SMS. Message sent. Hopefully we can receive an SMS message, and we have it here. Okay, so it works with the SMS or text messages for the Huafit Watch S6. Okay, let's add more text. Then let's send a message. Okay, so it can support at least several characters here compared to other wearables. Okay, you can delete the message. Yes. Okay, so that's it for our demo of the smart notifications or the push notifications. So it works with the following applications, including the SMS notifications. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!